Alrighty, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a Miata update since I kept you so updated last night. It's about 1:30 on Sunday. Found out yesterday afternoon the motor in the Miata identifies as part jackhammer or something. I couldn't really tell. But you might be able to notice a little something different in there. We got her yanked out. We're getting the clutch, the oil pan, a couple other things swapped over to a different motor we have sitting here. So I would say 2 or 3 hours we'll be ready to set a motor back in and just do the reverse of what I did this morning. So we'll see how ambitious I am this afternoon, but maybe we'll get it back in and ready to fire up today. If not today, I'd say tomorrow night. So that's just my quick little update for this afternoon.